are designing a smart, automated torsional damper to replace traditional bulky metal dampers in commercial as well as passenger vehicles. Any tips for us? This seems so cool! I would imagine that the performance of an automated damper would depend heavily on the parameters chosen for the AI agent. You might consider an automated approach to searching for those parameters, like grid search or gradient descent. If you want to go even a step further, you might create an ensemble of agents, each with somewhat different parameters, weighted according to how well each agent performs. Ensembles of agents typically outperform single agents.